if you're having issues loading your M-block clips into your M1 rifle and the clips are fairly new, what I do is I polish this little dimple here and on the other side here. Now this will really make it smooth, and how I do this to really make it smooth and polish it is this stuff is amazing. It's a Mother's Magwell polish, and then you're also going to, most definitely this, you're definitely going to need some kind of polish. But I really love the Mother's Magwell, it works really good. Light grit sandpaper, I use that just to remove parkerizing, and then I just rub this on here in circular little motions, and I'll show you exactly how I get this going. We're going to do the other side here because this hasn't been done yet. As you can see, it's nice and shiny, that little dot there, the dimple. And well, and then this dimple here, not really dimple, but a protrusion. And this engages the rails on in the M1 Garand. So we'll just slowly take the finish off, and then I'll show you the polishing job. Alright, so now that we got most of the finish off, what we're going to do is just get some Mother's Magwell polish, put a little dip in there, and then we're just going to rub it in circles. Small little circles, and it'll work enough to where it'll polish it. Alright, now that we're done polishing it, we'll take our grease or oil. I prefer a little bit of grease because it puts it in the rail a little bit better. Put a little bit on there. Take your rag or cloth, wherever you have, and just rub it in. How I set it up. So these are like, I wish you guys could feel it. It's nice and smooth. It feels like glass. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe.